Hello my friend, welcome to Into the Vault Coaching. I'm Garth Brewin. Now you know the biggest problem with normally on these videos that you see on someone's website is that they're always trying to sell you something, right? And when they're trying to sell you something from the beginning, it turns you off, you want to go away, and you're not interested anymore. And that's why this video is really just about giving you an overview of what I'm about, what this website's about, what life's about, so that you can start to live life on your terms and decide how you want to show up in the world rather than being reactive to everything that's going on around you. Now, my journey began when I came from an amazing child, amazing upbringing, went off into drugs, alcohol, depression, went crazily off the rails, nearly went to prison 3 times, and I was able to turn it around. I went to anxiety, depression. I was in the lowest places I could be. I was in homelessness, for crying out loud. Coming from a great background, I know, right? But it was from those times that I was able to get the leverage. I got to the point where there was so much pain, I said, no more, enough is enough. I'm gonna shift this and change this. And I learned and developed the skills to be able to live a life on my terms, live a life where I get to wake up in the morning and feel freaking amazing. And now I'm able to share that with other people. Isn't that exciting? I never would have believed that I was where I am today. Being able to truly help people decide how to choose their dreams, how to show up on their terms, because I wasn't doing it for such a long time. And now when I meet somebody, the first thing I do is they tell me they're in a place of transition and they're looking for some information and some guidance, but they're not ready to jump in and do some one-to-one coaching because it's not cheap, So I decided to put that first conversation that I would love to have with them into an audio program, to give them the opportunity to listen at their own time and at your own time to be able to decide what you want out of your life and how to really stop holding yourself back and go forwards, to be able to live life on your terms. So I created the Life Renovation program, which is down below. It's $39.99. So it really costs nothing at the end of the day. Who doesn't have 40 bucks, right? So I created this so that you could really get some value out of it, to be able to really take control of your life and understand how to live life on your terms. The best part about it is I decided that, even if you're worried about spending 40 bucks, I'll give you a money back guarantee, a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you feel that you didn't get 40 bucks worth of value out of it, then I'll give you all of your money back. You can go and buy a couple of beers on me, the Brewski guarantee. But it just means that because I know how much value this is going to bring to your life, I just want to help you make that decision to hit the buy now button and really take it on and do it. Because I know once you've done it, once you've really understand how much and how valuable it is to get coaching and how valuable it is to coach yourself in life, that you're going to want to work with me even more in the future. One of my seminars, workshops, retreats, the Warriors Awakening, Rite of Passage, whatever it may be. I'm so looking forward to having you there. I'm so looking forward to talking to you on this audio program. But if it sounds good to you and you'd like to live life on your terms, and if you'd like to really take life by the horns, so to speak, and ride on the back of the tiger instead of being taken for the ride, then click the button. Sign up, come and see me. I'd love to speak with you. Send me a message if you've got any questions. But I'll speak to you so soon, my friend. I'm Garth Brewin, and yeah, just do it. Don't wait. Take action now. 40 bucks, you can get it back. Right? You can't lose. So thank you. I'll speak to you on the program. Have an amazing freaking day.